What is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. It's Steph. We're here. Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 8. Last on. Stuff happened. Stuff happened that I don't really remember, if I'm going to be completely honest. Oh, yeah. Dingy got insanely drunk, puked while kissing what's-her-name. It was pretty funny. But he also got groomed out. It was really weird. It was really, really weird. But I enjoyed it. It was a really good episode. You know, something's gonna happen. Something sketchy is going on. Something sketchy. He's being groomed into this life, or they're probably gonna kill him. I don't know. Get into Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 8. In 3, 2, 1. More beer? Good God. Ridiculous. Fucking ridiculous. Sexual intercourse. Yes. Yes. This is so weird. Bam, kick right in the face. Okay, we're going back to his. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, I like this. That was cool. Yeah. Shame.
マキマさん好きなの？超好き。例えばマキマさんの性格がクソでも好き？クソ好き。よし。私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか。うわ、マジ？マジマジ。デンジ君、私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないか。マキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ。私とアキ君くっつけてよ。あいつどこ好きなの？顔。いいぜ。乗った。同盟組もうぜ。
Okay.
じゃあ今日たまに朝食べに来なよ。マジンちゃんとアキくんを連れてね。マキマさんも来ないかな。
こちら C 班、こちら C 班、開始。
なんだこの音。
知らんとは愚かじゃの。太鼓。
じいちゃんヤクザだったけど正義のヤクザでさ、必要悪っていうのかな。じいちゃんみたいな人はさ、女子供も数えるほどしか殺したこと。役売った金で欲しいもん何でも買ってくれてさ、みんなに好かれた江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
何のつもりだてめえ。
知り合いか。銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Oh shit.
早川亜紀、私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。人でも悪魔でもない。
姫野先輩の血を止めてろ。
釘。そう。
不気味なもん作りやがって。
カズ、とどめを刺せ。
ゼロ。
That was insane.
油断した。マジで油断した。
じゃあさっさと殺して。まだ生きてるぞ。デビルハンターのスーツは頑丈だからな。とどめを刺して。私はいいからアキ君を助けて。無理じゃん、あいつの動き見えんかったもん。ゴースト。
嫌だ、あの女。恐ろしい。
That's hilarious. Love the music here.
デビルハンターは身近な死になりすぎて涙が出なくなる。でもアキくんはすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは私が死んだ時さ。泣いてほしいから。
ヘビ丸飲み。帰れ。
That was definitely goddamn my favorite episode right there, brother. I mean, that's just insane shit right there. You know, I just can't believe how good of a goddamn episode that was. Holy shit, dude. That was insane. That was incredible. Fuck. What happens? Holy shit, dude. Fuck. Seemed like everybody just died there. Whoever this is powerful as fuck. They mentioned the Gun Devil, obviously. But who is this? The Gun Devil? The curse? What the fuck? What an insane episode. The vibes, the music, the everything, the emotions. It was great. What a episode. I feel like that's the type of episode that people are like, that's where it is. This is where the real shit begins. Which is kind of eh. But you know what I mean? I've enjoyed it up to this part. And yeah, like this episode was crazy. A very Red Wedding-esque. Everybody's dead. Makima's dead. Aki's alive because they did mention the clothing is fairly good, you know. But Makima got shot in the head. Fucking Denji got shot in the head. Is our main character dead? Like, what the fuck? What the actual fuck? Himino or him? I don't know how to pronounce her name. Himino. I don't know. Dead. And we have this being, whoever the fuck this is. I mean, what was crazy, it was all, you know, at the same exact time. All the shootings, very coordinated. Wow, it was great. Some John Wick type beat. Excommunicado. I still need to react to John Wick 4. That'll happen at some point. God, what a fucking episode, man. What's gonna happen? Like, what the fuck happens? I truly don't know. And I'm excited to see what the fuck happens. I'm excited to see you guys react to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for daily videos every single day. Follow me on Twitter, Twitch, TikTok, and Instagram. And all social media is down in the description below. And god damn it, ladies and gentlemen, we'll catch you for another goddamn video. Alright? Goddamn, the sugar, the Marlboro Reds. I bought some for the 4th of July. I don't smoke cigarettes. As you guys know, I smoke this. That's my nicotine. But you know, the aesthetic of cigarettes is pretty cool, dude. Pretty cool, man. No, I'm kidding. I do not endorse cigarettes whatsoever. I don't endorse any form of smoking. Make your own decisions. Don't follow me or anybody else on that type of shit. But in my personal opinion, the aesthetic of this compared to this Which one looks cooler, man? The fucking cigarette or the vape? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Chainsaw Man. I got this lighter. It's 420 somewhere, bro. Bro. Yo, dude. It's 420 somewhere, man. Let's light it up, bro. Let's light it up. Oh, man. Hope you guys had a good 4th of July. You know, American imperialism, colonialism. It's peak. Benjamin City, shall we?